树
tree,
夏天炎热的日子，树荫下很舒服。
the tree provided shade on a hot summer day.
花
Flower,
他在花园里摘了一朵漂亮的花。
she picked a beautiful flower from the garden.
太阳
Sun,
太阳在天空中闪耀。
the sun shines brightly in the sky.
雨
Rain,
下雨了。
we stayed indoors when it started to rain.
我们就待在室内了。
River,
河
the river flows gently through the forest.
河水轻轻地流过了森林。
Mountain,
山
climbing a mountain can be challenging.
登山可以是一个挑战。
Lake,
湖
we went fishing by the calm lake.
我们在平静的湖边钓鱼。
Cloud,
云
white clouds drifted across the blue sky.
白云漂浮在蔚蓝的天空中。
Bird,
鸟
the colorful bird sang a sweet melody.
色彩缤纷的鸟儿。
Butterfly,
发出甜美的旋律。
a butterfly landed on the blooming flower.
蝴蝶
Grass,
一只蝴蝶落在盛开的花上。
kids played on the soft green grass.
草
Forest,
孩子们在柔软的绿色草地上玩耍。
the forest is home to many animals.
森林
Sky,
森林是许多动物的家园。
at night, the sky is filled with stars.
天空
Beach,
夜晚天空满是星星。
we built sandcastles on the sandy beach.
海滩
Wind,
我们在沙滩上建造了沙堡。
the wind rustled the leaves in the trees.
风，
Ocean.
风在树木中吹动着叶子。
The ocean waves crashed against the shore.
海洋，
Rainbow.
海澎湃破碎在岸边。
After the rain, a vibrant rainbow appeared.
彩虹，
Sunny.
雨过天晴绚丽的彩虹映入眼帘。
It's a sunny day, perfect for a picnic.
晴朗，
Hill.
天气晴朗，正是野餐的好时光。
We hiked to the top of the hill.
山坡，
Wildlife.
我们爬到山顶。
We saw various wildlife in the national park.
野生动植物，
Frog.
我们在国家公园里看到各种野生动物。
The frog jumped into the pond.
青蛙，
Cave.
青蛙跳到池塘里。
Exploring a dark cave was an adventure.
洞穴，
Desert.
探索黑暗洞穴是一个冒险。
The desert is a harsh and arid environment.
沙漠，
Island.
沙漠是一个艰苦的干旱环境。
They visited a tropical island for vacation.
岛屿，
Star.
他们去热带岛屿度假。
We made a wish upon a shooting star.